In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the hood support on this Chevy Equinox. This is the strut that holds your hood up when you open it, so let's get started. All you need for this job is either a pick or a pocket screwdriver or anything you have that'll get right in here to pry this metal locking tab out, hold it pried out, support the hood, and pop this out. There we go. At this point, wipe off any debris that's in here so that it doesn't wear out the new support. And I prefer to install the new one now, that way it's ready to go on the top. Just press it in, it should lock in right away. Same deal at the top, pry the locking tab out and remove this. Clean off any debris that's here. Now line up the new one, press it on until it clicks, and there you have it, that's replaced.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.